Now I will discuss about the solution of problem 5, chapter from chapter 27, book survey, 7th edition. The fifth question is the quantity of the charge q in a column that pass through the surface of area varies with the time according to this where t is in second. What is the instantaneous current through the surface at t equal to 1 second? What is the value of the current density? Okay, so the charge is given that is q. Charge is given that is q, that is 4t cube plus 5t plus 6. Okay, where t is in second. What is the instantaneous current? We have to find the current. We know that current is the derivative of charge with respect to time. That will be 12 for t square plus 5. A part is about what is the instantaneous current through the surface at t equal to uh, 1 second. So for I mean, if t is function current is function of t, then there will be a this for I equal to 1 second, then that will be a that will be a 70. Okay. B part is what is the B part? What is the value of current density? The current density is actually represented by the J, and that is always I over A. I is given 17, and A, the surface area A is 2 centimeter square. You may say that 17 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2 square, that will become 17. Okay, and 2 10 raised to power minus 4, or 8 2 times 16, so that will be 8.5 10 raised to power minus 4, or you may say that that will be equal to 85 10 raised to power uh, minus 3. Okay, ampere per meter square.